Welcome back into 13 News This Morning. We're joined today with Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. And today we're continuing our journey with our soy foods guide. And we've been picking out some recipes. So there's just so many. Jared and I are like, okay, we have several favorites. So this is continuing on to that. So we picked these recipes. Charlene has been patient with us and letting us do kind of what we want to do.
Yeah.
So, but these are perfect and quick for back to school. So Charlene, what are we making today?
I love this recipe. It's kind of a takeoff of if you like lasagna, spaghetti pastas. These are easy stuffed pasta shells. And when families are just getting into the swing of school, we like easy meals. So
yes, we do.
This is one that can be made ahead of time and then have it in your refrigerator and take it out and then put it in the oven and bake it.
Oh, that's perfect.
We're going to start with the filling, and I have one package of tofu here. I've started to kind of mash it up. You're going to add 1 egg to that. I'll start stirring it. Great. And then you'll add our mozzarella grated cheese. Oh, yeah, making that filling. You have some Parmesan cheese.
Okay. Oh, loved all the cheeses.
All the cheeses. And some fresh parsley there.
Okay.
So we'll mix that up. Oh, doesn't that look pretty? That
It does.
parsley adds some pretty
Oh, you know
flavor.
how I feel about waste here.
Oh, that's right.
I've washed my hands.
Okay. So then it calls for 18 of the jumbo large shells.
They're
Oh,
so
okay.
cute.
So cook those just like the directions say, and then as they cook, they'll open up like that. Let it cool a little bit, and then we're going to take that filling and put it right inside that.
I found those on the beach last summer.
And you know, your girls would have fun filling these,
They
wouldn't they?
would.
That
Yeah,
would be
most
a
definitely.
great activity. And it says 18. I actually have 20 that I've done here.
Okay.
Put them in there, but you're making it yourself. You can add as many as you want.
Right, as many as you can fit in there, right?
That's right. So we'll put that to the side now. We filled that all up. What you have is some, you're going to do the pasta first. Drizzle that pasta over it.
Okay.
And we did talk about this ahead. I've got this propped up so that we could kind of see it on TV, and it's all kind of sliding that way, but it is a full casserole here. Now you are going to take the extra mozzarella cheese, sprinkle that on top. Great. Oh, didn't that looking good?
Why did you put it all on your side?
I know.
And you've got more Parmesan cheese.
So I'm going to make sure it's on my side.
Okay,
No.
great.
No, we'll be fair.
And we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes until it's
That's
nice
quick.
and hot and bubbling. And there, I wanted to show
my
that
gosh.
if you have a smaller family, this will serve 6. You could make it into 2 containers.
I like
freeze
that.
one of them to have later, and then you have 2 meals.
That is
Yum.
perfect. Girl, I'm not freezing it. We'll eat that 2 days later. It's like a whole new meal all over again.
Charlene, where can we get more of these delicious recipes?
They can go to kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN. Ask for the August recipes, and then also ask for the Soy Foods Guide if you don't have it yet.
Page 23 for this one.
That's right.
Charlene, you never disappoint. We'll be right back after this.